Child, 16-year-old boy who cannot control which direction his penis goes, doesn't like Armenian Muslims. He's claiming all Armenian Muslims deserve to be burned alive. Come here, try. Come on. Here is my door, right behind this flag. Try it. Yallah. Haydi, Yegur, Ari. Try it. Come on. Come here. Come on, come. Try, come here. I don't know your name, but we're going to find out who you are. We're going to find out where you live. We're going to find out your mother and father. We're going to find out everything about you. And you covering your face is not going to do justification. Artur Manukyan, who was shot and killed in Russia for being an Armenian Muslim and an imam, a sheikh. None of you just Armenians, who I'm pretty sure is low on iodine, who has parasites in their brain, and this is where their hatred is coming from. All you need is a parasite cleanse. I guarantee you, if you did a parasite cleanse, none of you would even care. These parasites in your brain is causing malfunction. Many of you, you go to Russia, you're born in Russia, you go to Los Angeles, you're born in Los Angeles, and you think you're entitled to everything that happens in Armenia. Who are you? Do you know how to wash yourself? Wash your tongue. I'm going to send you free delivery, mouthwash. Free of charge. All of you. For 2.5 years, I've been inviting you all to Gyumri. None of you show up because you're cowards. You work for the Jew. You're all Zionists. You have sex for Zionism. You upload your videos and you're showing your punanis and your penises online. Gays, lesbian, husband, wives, you're all gay. You're happy to be gay, but an Armenian Muslim. Do a parasite cleanse. Your brain will come back to itself, I promise. Don't you have a hobby, an interest, a goal? Actually lawfully learn how to make money. Be a good citizen. Love and honor your father. Get married. Get married. Have some children. Learn what it means to be an Armenian. Before Islam even existed, that 1,000 years ago Armenian Christian nation, which doesn't exist today anymore. There's nothing Armenian in Armenia. Only the Armenian alphabet is Armenian. The way women act, the way men act, the way the women dress, the way the men dress. This is not Christian. So if you believe Armenian Muslims deserve to be burned alive, you all deserve to be burned alive. Because your principality, your way of life, your mentality, not only is it not Armenian from the ancient days, but it's definitely not Christian. It's definitely not the way of Jesus. And when Jesus returns, don't forget, he's coming to criticize and judge all of you, those who call themselves Christian. And guess what? He is the same ancestry and bloodline of the Prophet Muhammad and his descendants, the Ahlul Bayt, the 12 Imams. Because Jesus was not an Armenian. He was a Jew. And that Jew didn't come from Japhet. And Armenians were once Semitic people. We are ancestrally linked to the Assyrian people. We became Indo-European language speaking after. The Armenian language has its own distinct Indo-European dialect in comparison to the other ones. Why? Because originally it wasn't an Indo-European language. Get educated. Stop playing with your dick. Do a parasite cleanse.